Okay guys, so I am looking at Vlookup exercise 2. So part 1, create a new spreadsheet and enter the data below. I've done that. Part 2, rename sheet 1 as report. I've done that. Part 3, set up the lookup table displayed below in sheet 2 of the workbook. Okay, so I'm going to go and to sheet 2, so create another sheet. And I am going to type in the information as I see it. So code and rate. I'm going to put them in bold and then type. Okay, so I on your sheet there, the first rate, okay, so if you look at code A10 and the rate is 0.20, okay, so I'm actually going to increase this decimal place by 1. Okay, so if I click on it, and if I go over here to my decimal place buttons, okay, if I click increase decimal, it would increase that for me. And the same here, and the same here. Okay, part 4 then, assign the name rates to an appropriate range of cells. Okay, so I'm going to assign the name rates on this sheet here. Okay, so to do that, you don't include the headings, code or rate. I'm going to highlight from A10 down as far as 0.40. Okay, so that's the first thing we do. The next thing is we're going to call this rates. Okay, and to do that, up here where you see the name box, click in there and type in rates. Okay, and remember just to hit return, okay, because if you don't hit return, it won't keep the name rates for you. Okay, so I'm going to click rates, click return. Okay, and just to check that then, okay, so if I click anywhere out here, go back and highlight your table, over in the left-hand corner, you should see the name rates. Okay. Part 5, use a lookup function to insert the rate from the rates lookup table into the rate per kilometer column in the report workbook. Okay, so basically what we want to do is put all this information here, the rates information, into our report workbook. Okay, and we want to use a VLOOKUP to do that. Okay, so for example, if I look here, A10, the rate is 0.20. Okay, so in effect, that's what I want to see here, 0.20. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use a VLOOKUP function. Okay, there are 3 parts to the VLOOKUP function. Okay, so if we, first thing we do is going to type in equals VLOOKUP. Okay, open your bracket. Okay, so the first part, we want information on code A10. Okay, and code A10 in this sheet is in C7. Okay, and hit comma. Okay, then we need to go and get the name of our lookup table, okay, which is on the other sheet. Okay, so if I go to sheet 1, I know that we called this this table here, we called it rates. Okay, so that's going to be the second part of our lookup function. Okay, and the third part relates to the columns. Okay, so we're looking for a rate, and code is in column 1, rate is in column 2. Okay, so 2 will be the last part of that function. Okay, so if I go back in again and I'll type it. So equals VLOOKUP, open my bracket. Okay, I'm looking for information on A10, which is in cell C7. Okay, so C7, comma, I'm going to put the name of the lookup table, which I know is rates, comma, and finally, I'm looking for the rate. Okay, and the rate is in column 2. Okay, and I'm going to close my brackets and hit return. Okay, and I'm going to drag it down. Okay, and then just to double check that the information carried across, okay, so A10, on my sheet here, it's saying it's 0.20. Okay, if I look at sheet 1, it's 0.20. Okay, if I look at A13, the rate per kilometer is 0.35. And if I look here, the rate per kilometer is 0.35.